Namaskara to all. Now friends, today we starting a live demo practical like a practical number second. In the last time, we are solving a practical number one. In the last time, we are found a radius and the diameter with the help of vernier calipers. Like the use of vernier calipers, those objects have the value 10 raised to plus power. So that means we are found the diameter and the final radius. But today we have a thin wire, look like a thickness, look like a hair. So today we found a diameter of given thin wire. So that means we are unable to using a vernier calipers. So what is the solution? How can possible? So as per today, we are using a setup like a micrometer screw gauge. Micro, it is name. We are showing in the previous standard like a 10 raised to minus power. So definitely those objects have a very thin surface or thin layer. So that time definitely we are using a micrometer screw gauge. So friends, now let's start. So starting with the aim. So today we solve a two tables. So first one aim, use of a screw gauge. Like a first A part, measure diameter of a given wire is the first part. The second, measure thickness of a given sheet. So after aim, what we require in our lab. So first, definitely is a screw gauge. Second, wire, and third one sheet, because we found the thickness of given sheet. Sheet any type, like a glass surface or any metal surface or any plastic surface, whenever you have in your, as per the you found the value. So any practical starting before have some the value like a list count value and the error. In the last time also, in the screw gauge, sorry, in the vernier calipers, we found a list count value like a 0.01 centimeter. But how? That time we have one equation like a main scale by total number of vernier scale, and that way we found the value 0.01 centimeter, and then after we found the error. Error in the vernier calipers we showing a 0, but here different. As per you showing the answer I written directly, the least count of the screw gauge, the same formula like a main scale by total number of circular scale. So that way we found the main scale 0.1, but total number of circular scale it is a 100. So that way we found the value 0.001 centimeter, otherwise 0.01 millimeter. Now error. You showing error here some values. So friends, in the micrometer screw gauge have three errors. Out of three, anyone should become. Which one three? Like a zero, like a positive, like a negative. So whenever it is possible to solving after instrument, now which type of error we found at that base. So here I written the answer like a plus or minus 11, but it is a plus. So plus 11, then after multiply with the list count. So we got answer plus 0.011 and the correction. What is the correction? Correction means opposite of the error. Suppose we found the error plus. So definitely the correction is a minus 0.011. So now this value we found with the live demo, with the live practicals. So now first we check here. How can possible the value should become 0.001 in the list count, and how can possible it is come error plus 11. So now I starting here one video, you showing each and every one the value of the list count and the value of error. Okay, now you showing here. Welcome to all. Now today we showing a live demo in practical number second. In the last time we showing a practical one like a vernier calipers, and with the help of vernier calipers we found the radius and the diameter of given sub-object. Today the same way. Today we found a radius and diameter of given this smaller thin wire. So now we are unable to using a vernier calipers. So how can possible? We found the radius because where is thinner surface. So definitely now this time we using a new setup like a micrometer screw gauge. Like we showing up first here, it is a micrometer screw gauge. Now this setup working with the millimeter. Clear mention here it is a millimeter. So definitely we converting our answer millimeter to centimeter. So first introduction about this setup, how to work and how can you found some division like a main scale and the vernier scale. So very easy. Now you use here. Now is open or close here with this screw. Now this setup have one of the main scale. So first we showing a main scale on this surface. So each and every one now show here. So it is a main scale value of a given a screw gauge, a micrometer. So it is a main scale value starting from 0, then up to 5, 10, 15, 20. But it is a millimeter scale. So definitely we converting our answer main scale in the centimeter scale, and it is a total like a round scale starting from 0, then up to be moving here we showing to moving a 10, a 20, a 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, and between 10, 0, 90. So it is a total 100 number of vernier scale. So first we want a value of least count because every setup have a smaller value, because in the last time we found the least count value of a given a vernier calipers. So now the same formula we using here. So least count of the equation like a main scale by total number of circular scale. So first we found the main scale. So what is the main scale value? Means after 0 we want the first value. So you showing here a very clear starting 0, then after you showing a 5 a bigger scale, between 0 and 5 total 5 division mini scale. So definitely we using the formula like a 5 by 5. So that means we got answer of 1, but 1 is a millimeter. So we converting in centimeter, so it is a 1 by 10, so it is a 0.1 centimeter. Suppose you want to showing a 10, so you showing a 10, but between 0 and 10 you again found a 10 small scale. So 10 by 10 again a 1, but 1 is a millimeter. So we converting in centimeter, so 1 by 10 it is a 0.1. So you see here clear mention here 0.1, it is a main scale. Now second, total number of circular scale. So we calculate here how many total circular scale. So starting from 0 we show first, and then after now total 100 circular scale of here. So that base we retain the value total number of circular scale, it is a 100, means our answer should become 0.001 centimeter. It is a least count value of given this setup. Now second stage, error. So what is error? Error means now some mistake we created we showing in the setup in the last time. In the vernier calipers have no error, but definitely now this setup have some error, like a error 0, maybe positive or maybe negative. So first we found the error. The error value should become, it is 0 to 50 only whenever it is like a sign negative or positive. So we check here. So how to found the error? So first you showing a one straight line in the main scale, definitely we showing here one of the straight line here. So first we consider this straight line, and after we showing a error in here in the circular scale. So how can possible? So first you moving this screw, and first you fit here. Now you set here both the surface match each other. Now then after you not using a pressure from your side, suppose now he is not moving in normal hand, so it is a normal state. So that time we showing a straight line. Whenever the straight line coinciding with the zero on the circular scale, so definitely we say it is the error 0. But suppose so now suppose now straight line of the main scale, now he consider 0 of the circular scale, so that time we consider 0 error. But now it is a straight line, now coinciding with the 1 to 50, so that time we consider plus means a positive error. And suppose now this straight line coinciding with the circular scale with 51 to 99, so that time we retain a negative error. So friends, first we found the error here. So now you see a very clear. Now this straight line coinciding with the division number 10, and then after first one is 11. So we consider 11. So here we found the error here plus 11. Again, now in the normal position, whenever both the surface match each other, so that time we showing straight line on the main scale, now coinciding with the one of the circular scale, but here we found 11, so we written here it is a plus 11 error. Suppose now it is coinciding between 51 to 99, so that base we retain the error negative, but here we definitely directly found the error positive, so we retain here plus 11 error. So after observation we retain the error, it is a plus 11. Now then after calculation is compulsory. Now we found the error. Now then after multiply with the least count, the least count is a 0.001 centimeter. So finally we got answer a plus 0.011 centimeter. Now the correction. Correction means opposite. Whenever we found the error plus, so definitely correction minus. And suppose you found the error minus, so that time the correction directly converting in the plus. Now here we found the error plus 0.011, so definitely correction is a minus 0.011. Okay, so after we found here error and the correction, so then after a second stage means we want value of diameter of a given wire, and we want a thickness of given thin plate. So as per the table, so first we showing here table, so this level we complete here. Now second level, the part A, measurement of the diameter of the wire. So that base we want some value like a main scale and the circular scale, but in the wire have two angles. One angle is a one direction and second is a perpendicular. And then after the final calculation we got second table, measure thickness of given sheet. The same formula, same like a main scale and the circular scale. Hope so. Now in the second video, we are showing this live demo. Each and everyone enjoy here again. And then after we discuss about this table, how to we calculate the final diameter. Now, after found a least count and the error, then after we found a diameter of given this thin wire. So regard, we want some values. Like one value you show here, it is a linear scale reading is a main scale, and the second is a circular scale readings small n. So same method we using whenever we using on the time of Vernier calipers. Now but here two different angle reading along one direction and reading perpendicular. So how can possible one direction and the perpendicular both is the same because this wire thickness same. So you found any one direction and the second direction you retain itself, no problem. So how can you set here? So now between the two surface you put a one wire. Suppose now you put this type, so it is a perpendicular, and suppose you put this type, so it is a one direction. So whenever you put any type, suppose one direction, directly you put here. Now this wire between the two surface, now this screw we fit very slowly. Okay, so now we fit here a wire between the two surface. So that time we want two values. One value it is a main scale and second is a circular scale. So first we showing in inner side in the main scale. Nothing like any value you showing like a 0, a 1 or 2. So definitely we consider here a linear scale value, it is a 0. So we consider main scale 0 because here you showing a 0 surface. And second thing, a vernier scale means the circular scale. So we showing in the straight line. Now this straight line match with the circular scale number of 51, maybe because 50, then after 51 and the 52. So here a very easy method how to showing a second division like a circular scale. So we again see here main scale 0. How can possible? Because we are not showing any type of main scale division. So that time we consider main scale 0 and the circular scale. Now against straight line we found a circular scale division of 50, 51 and the 52. So it is maybe we consider 51, 2 is a between. So no problem. We retain here a 51 is a round figure. So after observation we retain here a one direction. A linear means a main scale 0, circular scale it is a 51, and then after a calculation perpendicular again retain the same value, a 0 main scale, and the circular division it is a 51. So it is a table number A. Now then after we solve a table number B. The same practical, same direction. We want only two values like a main scale and the vernier scale. So here we using this type of a thin plate. Whenever you using any type of thin plate, but today we using this type of glass thin plate. So let's show. We found a different method like a different main scale and the vernier scale. Hope so. Here 0 not possible because here some thickness should become. So let's see, because in the wire we showing a main scale 0 because the wire are very thinner, but here we found some values in the main scale. So now in the second part, in the second table, we found the thickness of given a thin plate. So same method. Now we open here and this plate we put on between the two surface, any one side. Suppose the upper, a middle or the lower, whenever you decide. Now so we again we put here between the two surface. Okay, so now after we put here, so first we want a value of main scale. So main scale value it is possible we showing in the main scale area. So now we are showing here it is a main scale and it is a 10. Clear we say. Now this circular scale now in the main scale area like a number 10 division, and we want a vernier scale. So that time we consider again a straight line on the main scale. Now we showing the match with the any one number of the circular scale. So 10 is the main scale, and after we consider the straight line, now directly we showing it is a 20 and the 21. So now this straight line coinciding with the circular scale, it is a 21. So now we found here a two division. One of the main scale and second is the circular scale. Again 10 we found here, it is a main. Okay, so friends, here's some correction. You showing this video like a main scale 10, but now circular scale we found the 26. How can? You showing here starting at 20 passing and then after 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finally we got a circular scale. It is a 26, not a 21. Okay friends, so it is the second part. So after showing this one, now we check our table. The value again we found some correction and we change here. So first part we showing and that base. The value should become a one direction like a zero mean scale, and then after 51 is a circular scale, and then after the finally diameter after conversion. So we got 0.051, and then after a second a same perpendicular the same reading we copy here, and finally we get the diameter like a 0.051 centimeter. Now second part. So second part here we showing a value like a 26. So here we retain the 26 in the all the this circular scale readings, and then after we found a final answer after the calculation 1.026. Okay friends, so a very simple and very easy practical whenever in the time of exam or time of when school start, you definitely showing a live this one. So it is a part B. So now here a very easy practical so completed. Next time we are coming with the practical number third one.